Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making fried chicken, deep-fried drumsticks with thick and crispy outer layer. This is different from Karaage style Japanese fried chicken, but it's one of the most popular dishes served on Christmas in Japan. People line up at Kentucky Fried Chicken on Christmas Eve to pick up the party bucket. For more information about this unique tradition, as well as the ingredients and complete recipe for our fried chicken, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's get started. First, we mix all the dry rub ingredients in a small bowl. The amount of spice can get adjusted according to your liking. And mix well. And coat the chicken with the dry rub seasoning. Make sure the chicken surface is dry before rubbing in the spices. Let it sit for 45 minutes to 1 hour at room temperature. Mix egg and water in a small bowl. And in another bowl, combine the remaining crust ingredients: all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and salt and pepper. And mix well. Coat the chicken with the egg mixture and then the flour mixture. Pat to remove the excess flour from the chicken. Heat the frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and gently drop the chicken in the oil. Turning it a few times and cook until the internal temperature reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit, which should take about 15 minutes total. Remove from the oil and serve immediately. Although the idea of eating fried chicken on Christmas may sound strange, it has become a quirky yet authentic Japanese cultural practice. Everyone loves juicy and crispy homemade fried chicken. We hope you give this a try this holiday season.
美味しいね。